like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is matrices and determinants. Now your first one, if f of n equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, det of value is equal to k into 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. Then k is equal to. Okay, now here det of value delta is equal to 3, det of 3. Now f of 1 value means f of 1 alpha plus beta 1 plus alpha plus beta 1 plus alpha square plus beta square 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now 1 plus alpha square plus beta square 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube 1 plus alpha square plus beta square 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay, now f of 1 value alpha plus beta, f of 2 alpha square plus beta square, f of 3 alpha cube plus beta cube, f of 4 value alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay, now here total this expansion, this det of expansion can be here 1, 1, 1, 1 alpha beta 1 alpha square beta square into det of 1 1 1 1 alpha alpha square 1 beta beta square. Okay, 1 beta beta square. Okay, now here multiply with this one. First row with first column 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Now 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. Okay, next second row with first column 1 plus alpha plus beta. Now 1 plus alpha square plus beta square. Next 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube. Next third row with 3 columns 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, 1 plus alpha cube plus beta cube, 1 plus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Okay, next here both values are same now because det of A is equal to det of A transpose. Now det of A is equal to det of A transpose. Now 1 alpha, now here 1 1 1 1 alpha beta 1 alpha square beta square into now 1 1 1 1 1 alpha beta, now 1 alpha square beta square. Okay, now here det A is equal to det of A transpose. Now here both values are same. Now 1 1 1 1 alpha beta 1 alpha square beta square whole square. Okay, now here apply column operations. Now here C2 tends to C2 minus C1. C2 tends to C2 minus C1. C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Now C2 tends to C2 minus C1. C3 tends to C3 minus C1. Okay, now det of, now first C1, okay, 1 1 1, now C2 minus C1, 1 minus 1 0, alpha minus 1, alpha square minus 1, okay, now 1 minus 1 0, now beta minus 1, beta square minus 1, okay, now your total whole square is there, total whole square. Okay, now here alpha minus 1 into beta minus 1, alpha minus 1 common from C2, beta minus 1 common from C3. Okay, now first here expand, next to whole square write down, alpha minus 1 into beta minus 1. Okay, now det of 1 1 1 0, now 1, alpha plus 1 into alpha minus 1, now here alpha plus 1, now here also 0 1, now beta plus 1, beta plus 1. Okay, now here 1 2 zeros is there, now eliminating corresponding row and column, now det of this one. Okay, now here 2 debts is there, now whole square, next to write down whole square, now here alpha minus 1 into beta minus 1, alpha minus 1 into beta minus 1, now beta plus 1 minus, now here beta plus 1 minus alpha minus beta, now beta minus alpha, beta minus alpha, whole square is there, the value is the whole square. Okay, now here this can be right now 1 minus alpha, 1 minus beta, now alpha minus beta, 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. Now here total value is equal to 1 minus alpha whole square, 1 minus beta whole square, alpha minus beta whole square. Therefore, k value is equal to 1. K value is 1. Now option 1 is the correct one. Next one, det of root 13 plus root 3 to root 5 root 5, root 15 plus root 26, 5 root 10. Now 3 plus root 65, root 15, 5. Okay, now here observe that C2 and C3. Now root 5 common from C2 and C3. Now root 5 common from C2 and C3. Okay, now root 5 into root 5, det of root 13 plus root 3, root 15 plus root 26, now 3 plus root 65. Okay, now root 5 common from, now here only 2, now root 5 into root 3, root 3. Okay, now root 5 common means 1, now root 5, root 2, root 5. Okay, det of, now root 5 into root 5, 5 into, now here C1 tends to C1 minus, now here root 3 C2 plus root 13 C3, C1 minus root 3 C2 plus root 13 C3, root 13 C3. Okay, now C1 minus root 3 C2 plus root 13 C3 now is equal to 5 into det of, okay, now minus root 3, minus root 3. Now root 3 C2, root 15 plus root 26. Now here 0 and here also 0. Okay, now 2, 1, 2 root 5, root 3. Now 1 root 2 and also root 5. Okay, now minus root 3 into 5 minus root 6. 5 minus root 6. Okay. Okay, now 5 into det of minus root 3 into minus root 3 into 5 minus root 6, 5 minus root 6, 2 into 0 and also 1 into 0. That's only. Now 5 into minus 5 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus root 18. Root 18. Okay, 3 root 2. Here this can be right 3 root 2 minus 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, multiply with 5. Now minus 25 root 3 plus 15 root 2. 15 root 2. Therefore, that value is equal to 15 root 2 minus 25 root 3. 25 root 3. Now, option 1 is the correct one. Option 1 is correct one.